Hello friends, welcome to my channel and you are watching Raksha Star Goddess Tarot Oracle reading, and today I am doing reading based on the messages from fairies or angels and messages from unicorn. So these are the two decks I am using currently, and this video is about giving the messages as per your preference, as and which will be like matching to your current situation. And just take a moment and just choose the pile or card like which you feel like drawn to as per your gut or intuition, and I'll just share you the message. Okay, so I'm going with option 1. So here the message is: connect with nature. You are rejuvenated and inspired by spending time outdoors. So the message is it's regarding nature. So the message from this fairy or angel is like it's saying like to try to spend time in greenery, like with greenery. In case like if you have any greenery around your surrounding areas, like even though currently it's not possible, like by nearby your area, like near your apartment or like near your home, if there is any small greenery area, then you can just go and spend time there. Then like you will be feeling like inspired, like might be if you are feeling stressed currently because of this current problem we are facing, or else in any personal or career issue, like if you are facing any problem, like you can just spend time with nature, and then you will be like feeling inspired, and it will be helpful to take the inspired action. If you don't have any greenery also, like in case if you have any plants in your balcony, or else like in your surrounding areas of your home where some plants are there, just try to spend time nearby, so that like you'll be like feeling positive, and you'll be feeling yourself in a meditative state, and so that like where the stress will be relieved. So it will be helpful for you as much. So try to spend time as much as possible as per your availability, so that it will be helping you in taking further actions instead of keeping it pending in stressful situations. Just try to spend time with the nature. Okay, so this message is for the people who had chosen pile 1, and the message for the people who had chosen pile 2 is one step at a time. So this message is from the unicorn. Like unicorn is saying that lots of little steps make big dreams come true. So in case if you have any dream, if you are feeling like you are unable to achieve it, even if it's a big, or else like if it's a very difficult dream, in order to achieve it, you have to take some of the other action, whether it could be a big step or else a small step as per your situation. You have to take one step at least in order to achieve it, because without taking any action the dream would not be achievable. So the unicorn is saying that you have to take lot of steps, like that lot of little steps can make big dreams come true. So one step at a time, and with many steps, you will be able to achieve the dream, but at the same time you have to take the action, so that like the dream would be achievable definitely. So no need of feeling like it's very impossible or it's very difficult. So you have to take the step, because without action nothing would be possible in our lives, as we know. So take one step at a time, then the dreams will definitely come true. Okay, so this message is for the people who had chosen pile 2, and so hope my messages are resonating as per your piles like you are choosing. And thanks for watching my video. And in case if you have any preferred readings you want me to do, you can just comment me as per the area you are preferring, then I can just do the videos. And currently because of my some busy schedule, I'm unable to do less videos, but again I'm just planning to do regularly. And for the people who had just watched my video, I'm thankful. And thanks for watching my video, and I'll just come back to you with another reading. Okay, thanks a lot. Thank you. Bye bye.